Tired of cleaning the old-fashioned way? Smart home technology has made life easier. Today, we're counting down the top 5 robot vacuum cleaners of the year. These are powerful machines that scrub, mop, and vacuum effortlessly. Subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated with our latest smart home reviews. Number 5. Narwal Flow, compact and smart. Starting off at number 5, the Narwal Flow is a sleek, compact cleaner that packs a surprising punch for its size. The Narwal Flow combines smart navigation with dual mop pads that lift automatically when it moves onto carpet. This keeps every surface spotless. Its 3000 PA suction power easily handles dirt, hair, and dust. The intelligent obstacle detection system ensures it moves smoothly around furniture. What makes it unique is its self-cleaning mop system, which washes and dries the pads automatically after each session. There is no messy maintenance required. If you want a stylish, reliable, and low-maintenance robot cleaner that fits perfectly in modern homes, the Narwal Flow is a great place to start. Number 4. MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller. Coming in at number 4, the MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller is a serious cleaning machine built for efficiency. This model features a dual roller brush system that picks up fine dust and larger debris in a single pass. Its 6000 PA suction delivers great deep cleaning power, while the auto lift mop design avoids wetting carpet. The AI-powered LiDAR navigation scans your home layout for precise mapping, ensuring it doesn't miss a corner. Plus, the smart docking station empties the dustbin and refills the water tank automatically, making the whole process hands-free. For households with pets or kids, the MOVA Z60 Ultra Roller offers the perfect mix of power, intelligence, and convenience. Number 3. Roborock Saros 10R. At number 3, meet the Roborock Saros 10R, a high-end cleaner known for its precision and performance. This robot features a 10,000 PA Hyperforce suction system, making it one of the most powerful on the market. It's equipped with VibraRise 3.0 technology, allowing the mop pads to lift automatically on carpets and scrub stubborn stains on hard floors. The reactive AI 2.0 obstacle avoidance helps it identify shoes, cords, and even pet waste, so there are no unpleasant surprises during cleaning. It also includes multi-level mapping, custom cleaning zones, and voice assistant integration. This makes it a smart cleaner that truly understands your home. For those wanting better cleaning intelligence and precision, the Roborock Saros 10R raises the standard. Number 2. ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone. At number 2, the ECOVACS DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone is an absolute powerhouse designed for hands-free cleaning perfection. This machine redefines convenience with its OmniCyclone cleaning system, featuring dual spinning mops, strong suction, and a self-cleaning dock that washes, dries, and empties automatically. Its 3D True Detect obstacle avoidance helps it navigate tight spaces easily, while the Yaiko voice assistant allows you to control cleaning with simple commands, no phone needed. It also includes air filtration to trap fine dust, making it perfect for allergy-sensitive households. With an elegant design and fully autonomous cleaning, the DEEBOT X11 OmniCyclone is one of the smartest robot vacuums available. Number 1. Dreame Aqua10 Ultra. Taking the number 1 spot is the Dreame Aqua10 Ultra, the ultimate all-in-one cleaning solution that leads the pack this year. With a 10,000 PA suction system and dual rotating mop pads, it delivers thorough cleaning across all surfaces. What makes it truly unique is its hot water mop washing and automatic drying system, keeping the mops fresh, bacteria-free, and ready for the next use. The Auto Lift Mop 2.0 adjusts height smoothly when moving from tiles to carpets, while AI Action Path Planning ensures every inch of your home is covered efficiently. The Dreame Aqua10 Ultra is quiet, smart, and fully self-sufficient, truly reflecting the future of home cleaning. If you want a machine that does everything, vacuuming, scrubbing, self-cleaning, and more, this one deserves the crown. That wraps up our top 5 robot vacuums of the year. Which one would you choose? Drop a comment below, and remember to like, subscribe, and stay clean.